It's day 270 of our Be Creative series. It's Mark Coman from Paul's Photo, the lab at Paul's Photo and the Creative Photo Academy. You can see that we take Christmas kind of seriously around here. And I know that you've all been jonesing to get a great picture of the poinsettias. So that's what we planned tonight. So you saw last night we used the Christmas lights in the background at f1.4 to get everything out of focus. So what we're going to do tonight is use a similar setup excuse me, and get a completely different photo. So what do I want? I want the poinsettias in the foreground. I want focus from the tip of this leaf to the yellow berries. So what have I done? I've got my 70 to 200 millimeter lens at 200. What we're going to do is we're going to actually make 4 pictures and stack them together in Photoshop. We're going to do what's called a focus stack. Why? There's no way to get the effect that I want in the picture without doing it that way. So you can see I've got the lights in the background, the Christmas lights. I've got the house lights up. Let me turn them down to get to the shooting light here. So we've got the 12-inch light, the 12-inch LED light, which everyone should have, by the way. And it's feathered. And what the light feathering is, you can see that it's brighter here than it is here, because this is the subject area of my photo. And by using the barn doors and by twisting the light, we can control where the light's going. Now this light is set for daylight, 6,000 degrees Kelvin. It's actually a little bit cooler light. So when I white balance for that in the camera, the background lights, the Christmas lights, are going to be really warm. They're going to be really orange. I've got the 12-inch, the panel light, turned all the way down to its minimum power, because I don't want it to overpower the Christmas lights. I want the Christmas lights to be bright. And if you visually look at the scene, you can see that this light here is about a stop or twice as bright as the background. And that's exactly what I wanted in the scene. So what are we going to do? Aperture priority, f5.6. So we're going to have a great out of focus background. And once again, I'm going to make 1, 2, 3, 4 pictures focusing at different parts on this leaf to get it in focus. Now, why don't I shoot at f22 to get it all in focus? Because I don't want the Christmas lights in the background to come into focus. I don't want to see the pictures in the background. Let's take a look at the shot here. So, you can see the image, right? Oh, that's a great one. Look at that. But here's the image, right? Focus in the foreground. So what do I got to do? How do you change the focus point? Well, a lot of your cameras have the automatic, they can do the focus stack automatically. What I'm doing, I'm just putting the focusing dot right down there on the front of the leaf, and see how it focused right there? Boom, I'm going to take the picture. Now I'm going to scoot up a little bit right there. Take another picture. Scoot up a little bit more. Take a third picture. And finally, fourth, I'm going to put it right on the yellow berries there, and I'm going to take a 4th picture. So you can see the background is still nicely out of focus. That's the look that I wanted in my picture. That's the effect that I want. What picture do you see? Learn the technique, make it happen. If you need help learning the technique, Creative Photo Academy can help you with that. If you need help with the inspiration, Creative Photo Academy can help you with that. If you need help with a light or a tripod or the camera, Paul's Photo can help you with that. Because it's Christmas time, and we know where Santa Claus lives, and Santa Claus can help you get what you want. Mark Coman from Paul's Photo, the lab at Paul's Photo, and the Creative Photo Academy, wishing everybody Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and let's get inspired and make some great pictures together.